women, the mighty warriors, were on top of the world. We went to the Rio Olympic Games.
Yes.
That's the pinnacle, eh? That's the grand stage.
They did very
and
well.
Zimbabwe is there. You're seeing the major Nyaumes of this world. You know, Chido Zengarai, Nqobile Magwizi, you know, doing their stuff on the world stage. Of course, people will talk about the World Cup, but I always rank the Olympic Games, you know, as the pinnacle. We played against Germany. We played against Australia. Huge score lines, huge margins. You know, Zimbabwe getting the long end of the stick. And I was thinking, fast forward now, about what? We're almost 10 years now. Next year, it will be 10 years after the Rio Olympic Games. We are supposed to have progressed. But instead, we have regressed. You look at the girl child, the Premier League itself. Varikutamba bhora muchemanza, muzvikwakwa. People are not taking the women's game seriously. What is wrong with us as a people? How important is the girl child to Nqobile Magwizi?
Very, very important. You know, women are key to the progression of any society. Very, very key. I mean, every one of us is born of a mother. And we know what women can do if they are given resources. They are able to grow resources. They provide a spirit of, you know, connectivity. They help the society to be cohesive. That's what women can do. And they're very important to the growth of football.
So how come Nqobile Magwizi has never championed for the girl child? Why am I saying this? You were instrumental in bringing Sakunda sponsorship to Dynamos, Sakunda sponsorship to Highlanders, but not even a single women's football team.
No, we have actually engaged women teams across Zimbabwe. And some of
Is there a team that Sakunda is sponsoring?
Oh, by the way, Sakunda is a client of mine.
So you were instrumental.
As you may be aware, the teams, Highlanders and Dynamos, they have women's teams as well, which obviously benefit out of that structure. So
they supposedly have women's teams.
Obviously, we don't interfere with how the teams are running their affairs, but what is presented to us, what we discuss in the strategic planning sessions is what we go by. I mean, I've been in strategy sessions with Dynamos and Highlanders, and those issues that which you are raising, I mean, were pertinent. Even the lady representatives, women represented in those teams, were participants in those strategy sessions. So it would be uninformed to say these teams do not have, or we deliberately went on to work with these teams as a sign to run away from our responsibility towards women football in Zimbabwe. So yes, we are passionate. We understand what value women do bring to our society, and as a result, any opportunity that we are given to work with women, from my point of view as a consultant, definitely I would work with women any time. I mean, there's teams that we keep speaking to, you know.